हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज मोनिश बिसे। हम में से कितने ही बार हम लोग ये चीज़ें बोलते रहते हैं कि अभी सही समय नहीं आया, सही समय का मैं इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ, सही समय आने पर मैं ये काम कर लूँगा, या फिर इस चीज़ को करने के लिए मुझे सही समय चाहिए, और या फिर आई एम नॉट रेडी, आई एम नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड राइट नाउ, मुझे इन चीज़ों के लिए और ज़्यादा टाइम लग जाएगा। सो द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ परफेक्ट टाइम, सही समय कभी भी नहीं आता है। कभी भी आप पूरी तरह से प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं हो सकते हो, ठीक है। सो देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स। अगर आप प्रैक्टिकली चीज़ों को सोचें, सो एक ही चीज़ करनी है कि आप समय निश्चित करिए, गेट रेडी एंड स्टार्ट डूइंग इट। Don't waste time in all those things that this time is not ready. If you are spending your many days by days without being productive, that means you will never get ready. Okay, so if you have planned something and you are constantly saying this thing that I am not ready, or I am preparing for this that thing, that means the person you are speaking with will think that you are spending your whole week just working on that only damn thing. But think really, are you doing that thing only, or you are just saying that I'm not ready right now, but I want to do it because I'm just waiting for perfect time? Then how it's going to happen? So the perfect time never comes. If you have thought something, don't make garbage in your mind. Just start working on it. Just instantly take actions. Keep taking actions. What will happen by taking the actions? You will fail, you will get experience, you will start again. So gaining experience is better than not doing anything and just keep saying this, that I'm waiting for the perfect time, and just wasting your whole life like this. So just imagine this, quick recall this from past 10 years, how many things you plan to do and how many things you have accomplished till now. So you will get the clear idea about what I am saying. So, and check among that thing that you had 10 years in your back, but still you are only doing only one thing. Either you can be in job, or either you have a small startup or some work you are going on in your life. So this is the only one thing you are doing right now. That means you never been so much productive, which you were saying that I am preparing for something, or I am waiting for the perfect time. That means you are just satisfying yourself, or you are just saving your reputation. That's all. Practically, if you think, that means you had never done anything worth saying that really you are preparing for something. So this is the very important thing we should understand, that this is the reality of today's world. People are not taking actions towards their dreams, and they are expecting that or they are dreaming like that they want this and they want that, and they want life like that. So this is the main issue here. So just start doing things, take actions, don't wait for perfect time or perfect opportunities. So see what happened, that many people were thinking that the economy collapsed in the COVID and many things just happened, but there are many startups who earned millions of dollars in just lockdown, in this 10 to 11 months. How? They just use technology. They just change the way of doing their work. They just change their work from offline to online. They use digital ways to do their work. That's all. They just changed their mindset. They just took the actions. So at the end, what matters is just actions. Just take actions. So I'm just saying about action. I'm not talking to you just put 10 lakh rupees and just start doing something. So I'm not saying about that money thing. I'm just saying about just plan something and start taking actions into it. Invest your time, invest your skills. That's all. If you change the way you think, if you change the way you work, you will see definitely results are coming to your life. That's all. Thank you so much.